Yo, what's good? What's happening? It's your boy Rusani Africa. You know what it is. We are back with another bang. So this is episode number 3. You know what it is. So let's jump into it. So you better hit the subscribe button and you know what it is. And if you haven't seen, there are two videos that I've already think like I've already uploaded. I think like it's been talking about some shit. It's talking about what's been happening. In the game, the releases. So we just have to keep grinding. So there are many topics that I've written down here. You know what I'm saying? So I will just want us to touch on them and see what's happening. Because of there's literally there's many things that is going on in the game. Because of you all know that every time it's always something new and there's something new that we have to talk about. So we just have to talk about it anyway. So first of all, I just wanted to talk about Shebeshit. So she just released an album. It's not an album. Just that Sevieti, Sevieti is Sevieti. To him, it will be an album. He said it's an album. It's 5 tracks. Yes, it's a dope album. But literally, I was bored about him because of most of the songs that he released in it. First of all, he released them on a website that where you can go and just download them. I didn't understand where they are DSPs. That is the problem with subsidy. He lacks management. That's it. He lacks management and that's facts. Because of he can't just release music for free. Music is not for free. Because of I don't know, bro. Just that when it comes to him, everything is fun. He doesn't take it serious. Now he was saying, "Yo, well, next is want to no longer do music." I don't know why he wants. He says he no longer want to do music because of these things. What else does he know? Besides music, I don't know. But he said he wants to quit doing music. Just that we just have to see or they tell me if I could do quit with the music because you can say he's quitting to do music right now. No, no ways. Ain't no way he's saying he's quitting. The money is too much. There's a lot of things that is too much. Because of even he may has already invested too much. He has even lost his son because of music. If not music, she could be alive. So I don't think people will just leave music like that. Nah, 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 nah. I feel like he will be robbing us. Even himself, just that the problem is that himself, when that situation happened, he never like took a two-step back and just reflect on himself. I think that's why it's affecting him now. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, bro. But literally, when it comes to him, he lack management because of there are certain things that if you can check to him, he could have them. When it comes to our brain deals, because of if it was someone, maybe we could have found him being the ambassador of Nike, but because of there's that lack of management that things can be around because of he lack the management that is needed when to someone like him. All those things are being doing him by his wife or who are around him. So I don't think it can happen like that. So we just have to say, bro. I don't know why he doesn't understand TikTok. You know, I think like it's simple TikTok, but I don't know why he doesn't understand it. Know what I'm saying? Or maybe just that he's not focused on it. Because of he doesn't even know how to add someone. That guy is really funny, bro. Like, is this character? I don't know why. To add someone, like, literally doesn't know how to do it. Like, literally, that's just that he doesn't want to learn. Or that's what I've seen about it. Doesn't want to learn. So, just have to keep, keep leave him alone and talk about something else. So, other thing that got my attention is DJ's Boo. So DJ's Boo did this horrible thing. Like DJ's Boo was on the street. I don't know, like was wanting like more fire. I don't know. Then he has some hustlers. When you are there, when you are in the street, you find the people who are selling some things. So he asked one to come. When that person comes in, he said, "Yo, I want more for 200." And that person didn't have more fight. Huh. You can see DJ's Boo just like this. with the 200 and going. Like you can see that this guy is flexing, bro. And literally that boy's eyes, you can see, yeah, fam, damn. I'm in such horrible pain, bro. Like I'm pain. Like literally was in pain. And Twitter didn't even waste time. Twitter had him, bro. Like Twitter had him like really, really, really bad. Like literally Twitter had him really, really, really bad. Like they had him. He eventually went and do the damage control. He went to the line. Now it's I think like it was I think like 4 pack, 5 packs of it. And when he has it now, it's like, yo, I want to give you some what. And after that, he gives him even that 200 that he wanted to give him. I'm like, this one wants to do the damage control. It's those type of things. And people now were assuming that like, yo, okay, so was Zahara right about you? So all along Zahara was right about you. I'm like, okay, maybe they were right about it. Is that he's arrogant with money? That guy is arrogant with money. I don't know why he's arrogant with money, but he's arrogant with money. I don't know who you want to be the next billionaire. I don't know, bro. But I feel like even yes, you can say Prime Monfire is doing it, but I feel like he's not doing it in that that level because of it's just depending on buying. It doesn't have that big advertisement, like the advertisement like of you will find it in things like your boxing. It doesn't do such things. And it really, really need him to do such things for him to advertise it. But he doesn't do it. I don't know why. Maybe he will think like it's it's a boring loss. You know what I'm saying? But what he did there, last it was really, really bad. And they heard him like really, really bad. They heard him. But Twitter was just showing you like you have to be a human one time because even you back then you used to be like this. You didn't just wake up and be rich. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's what Twitter wanted to just tell him that yo bro, you didn't wake up and just be this rich. You were once poor you. So don't forget yourself, where you came from and where you are going. Because it's us who put you in this fame space. And if even if we can do it by not buying a thing, and later you can go down. So that's what they wanted to show you. Is that you, they went for him big time, bro. Like big time, big time. But anyways, let's move on from DJ's book. So there is this guy called Saga. Like literally every day in Likompo, there's someone was coming out. Like literally would be big, Every time there will be someone big. So this guy go do an interview in the Popo podcast. This guy, I've never seen someone talking like that, bro. Because of what they talk about is eh, I don't know, bro. Like literally, we're saying some things that hey, people sometimes will get sued for things that they said. They will get sued. You know what I'm saying? They will get sued. Just that King Nada, I feel like he just took it like I just took and trash this one. So. So that guy is saying Tribe, Shebe, King Nada. But well, they have their own things. He's saying King Nada is a giraffe, Tribe and Nada have gone to the same Sangoma. So I don't know why, but literally everyone in Ligombo is being accused of going to small room, wherever they are doing these evil stuff things. I don't know why can they just say I don't know. I don't know why can they just say yo this guy had a success because of all of them went somewhere. All of them. And the one who's suffering the most now is Tribe because of Tribe is the one who people are accusing him of going to small room. But that guy just came out from nowhere because of the style which he was rapping on. That's why over and nowhere. The style that he was using, it was different. It was not known, even though it was just like Sasha, but it was different. That is why he became big. You know what I'm saying? So you can't just say, yo, this guy because of his big now and well, no. If you're working hard, you'll become you will have success. And if you're meant to be like that, then you're meant to be like that. Ain't no way you won't be like that. So it's just that people don't understand that things, They think because of you have to have certain things, no, that's bullshit. If you work hard, you will have them, bro. No matter what. Is that people don't understand it. But one day they will understand it that hard work eventually pays out. So you can't just say everyone because of his filming. No, they have done something. No, no, no. I don't believe in that thing. So I don't know, bro. No. Because of if we start like that, then we'll start choosing all of them. Your charismas, your Voshandesh, Zuli, you know. Even him will start accusing him because of his came out from nowhere and be started being famous. So you can't just say because of someone is famous then nah, that's wrong. That's literally wrong. So I don't know why people are saying it like that, but it's one of those things that are wrong. So we just have to see how it moves this genre because of this is the future genre that is coming up, and this is and it is the first biggest genre in Limpopo that has ever ruled, like literally in the South African music. Literally, this is the first genre that has ever ruled. Yes, the Balobedu house music has tried to rule, but it has never ruled like the combo. You know what I'm saying? The combo, like literally, is ruling. It's ruling. You know what I'm saying? That's why they're fighting for it. Who started it? Who did this? Who did this? And there's no need for us to fight. There's always room for someone. There's no need for us to fight. There's room for someone. But they can't, bro. The problem is that when they go to this podcast, they go and say trash things about others. So I feel that's the problem. That's where the problem started. And if Bangavachita is also every time, abaduzira mumachimbani vote abaduzira mumachimbani abaduzira mumachimbani vote because of utobva vengo kwavo vathu vangasifunani. They will never be love. They will always be hating on each other. You know what I'm saying? So nditounogara tamwe kuti vanhu vatowana nzira ine vadoishumisa ine vatamwe vachiishumisa vaiyavhuti rather than every time vasokutova kusokuvhetana ukawana kuti every time vasara kuvhetana vatoona every time ziri kufa uchifi nyi angoita mini inyi angoita mini kungwana, and which is not good. Kungwana as good now too. They must just support each other and leave these things after yo, this time we are supposed to do this one we do, and no, they must just support each other and leave it out, bro. Like you can even see the Chande is under Janesh. I think it's who is it? Who is it, bro? Because I mix those two, Shandes and Janesh. But I feel like it's Janesh. The Likombo balcony mix. That thing is massive, bro. The balcony mix, Likombo balcony mix. That's massive. That's what they want in the genre. Those type of vibes makes the genre to grow. You know what I'm saying? So we just have to watch those things. Yes, some of things that are making genre to grow. So we can't say because of now. Just this type of things. No, those things makes the genre to grow, and it will grow if they are united. Just imagine all of them if we're there. You know what I'm saying? If they were there, all of them, but they can't be in one room because of they talk about each other foolishness. It's like what is going on between Babette and DJ Call Me. Babette was just supposed to give DJ Call Me some respect only, but no. They can't afford to give him respect because of what is the fame. That's the fame. What is doing them for them not to have that relationship is because of fame. That's only it is fame. So I don't know, bro. I don't know. They just have to be united and be one thing. Literally, they just have to be united and become one thing. Because if they don't become one thing, who will support them if they are not supporting each other? Because literally, they don't support each other. They don't. Because of they don't literally, they don't support each other. They don't. Those ones are the ones that don't support each other. All you know, they fight. Like literally, people who support each other is the bad company and the Vipers crew. Those are the ones who support each other. Bad company and the Vipers crew only. The other ones, on the Licompo side, no, 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 no. We fight with each other. Yo, and who do you think are the biggest here when it comes to Licompo this year? Who do you think are the biggest here? Between like you Karishma, you Janesh, you Zoli World Smoke, you Janesh, you 7-1 Nelly, who else is a vocalist there? Who else? Wendy Moon, those type of Yo Shabashit. Just that. I feel like Shibishiri this year was not his best year, but was his traumatic year. You can say this year was his best year. Best year was last year. His best year was last year. Yeah. Last year was the best year of him. This year, I feel like this year, nah. Yes, he makes some moves there and there, but he didn't have the best year like last year. Last year, he was like fire, bro. He was doing them things. Last year was this year went by me. So this year, it's too positive this year, you know. It's too positive this year. So we can say he's still the one. So I don't know. And then the other one, mm, Karishma. But Karishma is the one who can say last year he was in this, because of last year Matumi literally put him on. So your check slam just put him in the other level for the global stage in South Africa. So I just feel like, yeah, I think like Karishma could go away with that one of being the artist of the year. Because yes, others really did it, but they did it in not that extent of her. She did it in other level. So yes, I can say it's her. But I don't know, bro. I don't know. But yeah, just that there are many people. When it comes to the beat makers, who are the best? Yeah, most of we had Wavete, we had Nakwa, we had Hitler, we had who else? We had mm, I flex them three because of others. Even Nelly the Masters beat. Yes, you can even put him there. But if you go and check now, it's Babette, it's Nakwa, even Hitler. Just that Babette was helped too much by Mankad. So Nakwa is working in literal ways only. I don't know why Makazi doesn't have a something so with Shebe. Maybe they can work together. But I was just hoping maybe they can be having something. I don't know why they don't have something together. But I was hoping they should have something together. But I don't know. Maybe they can work together. Maybe they something that is making them not work together. But I was hoping they can work together those two. What else? Yo, did you see the DJ Maporisa All Black Party? Yo, bro, that party, yo, that one, that party, like, I wonder what happens in those type of parties because of that is an industry party. I just wonder what happens in those type of parties. You feel me? Like literally, like when the party is over, it's about to go. When when people are about to go, what happened? You know. So I wonder what happened there. I just wonder what happens because of you, bro. Man, I feel like it's those parties which are dead. Those are the dirtiest parties in the game. You know what I'm saying? I feel like those are the dirtiest parties in the game because of if there's only industry people, bro, only industry people. Ha, ha. Sazobuya. Afterwards, Sazobuya. Because them industry people are fucking each other. So if it's them only, hmm, damn, damn. Damn. I just wonder what will be going on there. Because if it's them only, damn, nah. But those type of parties, it's those type of parties that they're bringing Diddy down. So even him, DJ Maphorisa must watch out because of when they come at him, all those people who went, or say no, we didn't went, but it's like that. No one went, no. So we don't know. So we don't know. But I just have to watch what's happening. But one day we just have to go there and see what's happening, bro. Like literally. Because of those type of parties, the executives are there, the managers are there, the artists are there, you know. And most of the time it's people who don't like each other and people who are fucking each other. So if it's like that, what do you think can happen there? You know? So I don't know, bro. I don't know. Those type of parties and I really don't, they don't give me that type of vibe. That's now. But we just have to watch them or what's going on with them. But anyway, what else can we talk about them? What else? And who's that? Fifi Cooper is releasing a song called it's called, it's called Nkuvulele. I feel like it's over for Fifi Cooper. Literally, it's over. There's nothing she can do which can make her come back into the game. There's nothing. It's over. It's over. She just have to accept. You know, I feel like she waited too long for her to come back. You know, I feel like she waited too long. Why didn't she do like your MTs? She waited too long, bro. How many times been people asking for her and them to do like a song? And she was supposed to be the one who was pushing it. But she waited long. She waited long, bro. I don't feel like she will ever have the biggest comeback. There's no comeback that she's going to have. There's no comeback that she's going to have. There is no way that she's going to have a comeback. Because what will she have the comeback? Like how? Like literally how? You know? I feel like there will be no comeback that will be there. You know what I'm saying? So the comeback will no. I just feel like there will be no comeback there. Just that will. It's over. It's over for her. You know. Literally, it's over for her. There's no comeback that she will ever have. You know. It's over. They exploited her, and she allowed them to exploit her, even though she was not knowing what they were doing. But it's over. It's over. It's just not like people like your MT. Both of your MT are those type of people who can, the fan base, the biggest fan base, Yo, bro. And I was just thinking, yo, which in this year in 2024, ne, what was the biggest record label? Like literally, the record label that was owning 2024. And when I checked, ne, it was not New Money Gang. It was not Piano Up. If you can check, ne, is that Keeper Entertainment. Just look, it has Leme Crazy, it has Coach Mapuma, Melo and Sleazy, Cowboy, you know, and Coach Mapuma and Leme Crazy, they were doing it, they were killing it. They were killing. When I say killing, they were killing it they had it this year, this year was their year. So I just like, bro, that was the record label of the year. Because of, yes, gonna say, who can say, what is that record label that is Usman Man? It's called Guba, Kepa, something like that. I can say it is because of Joseph Usman Man who's blowing up. But those ones, it's like literally it's like five of them, and all of them are popping, bro. I'm like, what? So this is the record label of the year. Oh, I didn't expect this one. But literally, is it? It is. It's the record label of the year, that one. And it is it for days, bro. That one. And that one is detail days, bro. Yo. But I just hope when make Crazy release this own album, it will do well. I just hope. Because of if when they release this own album and this album does not do well, go sugar poison. Poison. I hope you have your own song that when you were producing for album Police, album Man Man, they were also giving you the biggest songs. But if you don't have them, Hazonya boy, Uzonya boy, Zonya Tata. And I just pray for him, Muri. He did it. You know what I'm saying? There's those songs and songs that he has that he, maybe he pulled them on the false spot. So what else can we talk about? Because if I can't go without talking about Venda. And even you could have Venda. I want to see you could have Venda. And the Lord I expect from Root Kiddy, Chankoi Koi, Chankoi Koi. If you want to get this, I expect Root Kid who was a Venda. I'm trying to I don't know. Venda, I'm trying to be relevant like Root Kid song. I feel like there's no one, bro. Like Rootkid has been relevant, bro. Tikada relevant, man. And Nandre ya danga the way ya ba up ngayo even little na kadwa ngayo kadwa relevant in landira ndru. Ako wa it shit like little Rootkid kadwa in landira. And his numbers on YouTube, yo. If you can check, bro. Rootkid has the biggest number in YouTube. All of them in Venda. All of them in Venda. No one matches since number on YouTube. No one, including me, though, don't mention his number. That boy has numbers on YouTube, bro. Like literally, he knows YouTube, bro. How to, you know, because of eh, yo, yo. That boy has big numbers, bro. Has big numbers. But anyway, this is the boy from South Africa. Are yeah.